Hello students, how are you all? This is Anup sir, your English teacher from Devasya International Public School. Today, in this video, we will understand the poem, the geography lesson for Standard 8th. The poem, The Geography Lesson, is written by Julfikar Ghosh, a famous poet and a novelist who was born in India before independence. After independence, he migrated to Pakistan and now he is settled in USA. The geography lesson is a 24-lined single stanza poem that does not have any rhyme scheme. In the poem, the poet talks about three important things. First, how everything looks from the sky. Second, how civilization was established and the reason behind the unorganized settlement. And third, his question to himself why people hate each other. So, students, now let us discuss the detailed summary of this poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it had 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. The poet says, when the jet sprang. Sprang is the second form of spring. Here, it means lifted off. So, the poet says, when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear. That is, the poet understood why the city had developed the way it had. Because everything looked so small that a mile seemed to be like 6 inches. That means everything looked so small from above. It becomes inevitable. Inevitable means certain, that everything developed unplanned, that on earth every building, city, or state has developed unplanned without any plan, without style, and without any principle of any organization on the ground, that is, on the earth. The poet repeats the first line, when the jet sprang into the sky, that is, he saw all this when the jet, that is, the aeroplane, was flying in the air. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the river ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. In the second part, the poet says that when the plane reached 10,000 feet in the sky, the poet came to know why the cities of countries are located near the rivers and also the valleys are so populated. Next, the poet provides the logic of geography which is clearly delineated, that is, depicted, that is, the reason that made the people settle in an organized way. According to him, land and water, which are the lifeline, are the reason for our survival, attracted the early human. The land here refers to the green land on which we cultivate food and make the shelter. Like the previous stanza, the poet repeats the line, when the jet, that is, the aeroplane, reached 10,000 feet to tell that he came to know about all this only when the aeroplane was 10,000 feet up in the sky and he could see land and water and settlements around this land and water. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. In the third part, the poet says that when the aeroplane was at the height of around 6 miles, it became clear that the earth is round and that it has more sea than land. That means the area of water covers more than the surface area of land. According to him, he could not understand why people hated each other on earth, why people builded walls. Here it means borders across cities. Here it means countries and kill each other. At such a height, the poet sees a single earth and wonders why people are divided, why people kill each other or fight with each other, why people divide land into different countries by borders. He could not understand such things from such a height. So, students, this is a very beautiful poem which is written by Zulfikar Ghosh, which has a very deep meaning in it. It shows us that we do not have any reason to fight with each other or to kill our men. We do not have any reason to divide our earth through boundaries and make different countries and fight for land. Students, now let us just do the reading of this poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the cities had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky, when the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography, that the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land, but it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. By Zulfikar Ghosh. Students, there are few word meanings given at the back of this poem. Let's just check that out. First, inevitable. That means that cannot be avoided. Second, haphazard. That means without plan or order. Third, delineated. That means shown. Students, now let's check out the other exercises of this poem. Find 3 or 4 phrases in stanzas 1 and 2 which are likely to occur in a geography lesson. Answer: scaled 6 inches to the mile. Second, valleys were populated. Third, land and water attracted men. Question number 2. Seen from the window of an aeroplane, the city appears 1. As haphazard as on ground. Second, as neat as a map. Third, as developed as necessary. Mark the right answer. The right answer is number 3, as developed as necessary. Question number 3. Which of the following statements are examples of the logic of geography? Number 1. There are cities where there are rivers. Second, cities appear as they are, not from 6 miles above the ground. Third, it is easy to understand why valleys are populated. 4. It is difficult to understand why humans hate and kill one another. 5. The earth is round and it has more sea than land. Answer are number 1, number 3, and number 4. Question number 4. Mention 2 things that are number 1, clear from the height. 2. Not clear from the height. Answer for number 1. The earth is round and it has more sea than land. Answer number 2. Why men hate each other and build walls across the cities. Now students, let us sum up the main idea of the poem in about 50 words. The poet flew over the city in a jet plane. He found the city spread in a disorderly manner, but he knew it was unavoidable. From the height of 10,000 feet, he saw the rivers and valleys. He well understood why the valleys were populated. The land and water facilities attracted men. It was the logic of geography. From a height of 6 miles, he noticed that the earth was round and had more sea than land. But he failed to understand why people hated each other, divided the land into separate units, and killed each other. So students, this was all about the poem. I'll be sending you the notes with this video, which you'll have to write down in your classwork. Thank you and have a blessed day.